you might be surprised that many Malaysians, they know China through some cities like Yiwu because they conduct a lot of trading activities and businesses with Chinese people. One thing that amazed me is that I can see the growth of Yiwu. According to my business friends, it was a small town back then, but after the reform and opening up, I think Yiwu managed to capture the growth and also to reap the benefits of globalization. Then it grew tremendously. Well, I think it's a combination of rapid development and also with equitable distribution. So it's also a land of tradition and modernity. At the same time, it's also a vibrant place with more reform and opening up, I believe. So to me, in one word, is a future-proof China. I think that's deep in my mind, and I think the model hopefully is sustainable and also to be able to give more benefits to the people and also, contribution to the world. The diplomats and also the local officials that I have acquaintances with, I think they were all very professional and also very open-minded. At the same time, willing to have a lot of exchanges on our ideas and on our way. I think the humbleness is also there to not just like I'm imposing something on you, but it's more like a two-way exchange. I truly appreciate that, and I think Asia and also the world, we also need more partnership and collaboration than simply like trade war or very unilateral ways of global governance. So to us, I think I see more shared interests with China and also with many countries in Asia to work together, foster closer collaboration.